a unique situation there where you're seeing all this across these various agencies adopt these various technologies, all the way from just sort of lift and shift to SaaS as a service to citizen services, et cetera. Give us the state of the state from where you see it.
Sure. Thanks, Luke. We've heard some great use of cloud already. I want to talk about some mission use cases that ServiceNow is involved in across the agencies that we've already talked about. We're doing things like investigative case management. We're supporting immigration at the Air Force. We're doing work to support airman readiness. So there's a number of mission use cases like that are using cloud technologies, including ServiceNow. And it's exciting to be a part of that. One of that I wanted to dive into a little more deeply is around the solution that we worked with, that we helped the Army create for housing. So, if you go back to the origins of this project, soldiers and their families were having challenges with Army managed housing. There could be maintenance issues. There could be other challenges in maintaining that home. And it was a very complicated paper-based process to get those issues corrected. We worked with the Army to deploy a workflow on ServiceNow using our customer workflows and also field service management capabilities in order to make it very simple for soldiers and their families to support maintenance issues with their homes. Using a phone, they could just simply take a picture of something that's wrong and send it into a central office that could dispatch a person to repair that problem and get that home back in shape very quickly. That's where we started. We expanded it to what we call fence to fence, where and I think that we moved to fence to fence in just 3 months after the initial deployment, where any garrison resource can create a request for anything it may be problematic, whether it was a building or it was a road, it was a fence, whatever it was. So, we're using a cloud technology like ServiceNow to make it very easy for people to have problems resolved. And I think it was deployed very quickly. It was something that was adopted very quickly. I think in the first year we had close to 50,000 people using this. 200,000 requests were submitted. And so, we can see a really terrific use case where suddenly a system that may have been paper-based, where the workflows were unmanaged at times, now there's great tracking and visibility, and people can be served very quickly, and they can get what they need to focus on things that are most important, their families, their mission. So it's, I think, a tremendous story.
And no question that you're able to deploy it securely and certainly able to deploy it in a sort of a mobile fashion type thing. I was going to say it runs an impact level 4 environment. ServiceNow is creating an impact level 5 capability for our customers for other kinds of cloud requirements. So, it's very exciting to be part of ServiceNow, work on these projects today.